Before you wire up a bathroom, you need to understand the basic electrical code. I had the opportunity to find an illustration from Mike Holt book to help us understand the things we are allowed to do and the things we are not allowed to do when you're wiring up a bathroom. So we're gonna start from the Gfci. So if you look at this picture, there's a 20 amp circuit coming from the panel going straight to this Gfci over here. From this Gfci is fitting this one. That's perfectly fine. You're allowed to do that because it's two separate bathrooms. There's one and they both are Gfci. You're allowed to have two Gfci in a 20 amp circuit. So now, if you look over here, it's definitely a violation. Let's say this was a bedroom and you being lazy, you take power from here, you feed this outlet, or you feed another outlet here per se. It's definitely a violation. You will never pass inspection because the inspector will definitely discover that, because in the panel there will be ground fault and arc fault breakers. So the minute the inspector turn off the breaker, this will still be on. So definitely you're not allowed to do this. So take note and don't be lazy. Do the right thing. As far as lighting concerned, there you have a 15 amp coming from the panel to your 2-gang switch box, and that is taking care of the fan, the light over the vanity, and then it's also sending power to this 2-gang switch box to take care of this light over the vanity and the fan as well. That's perfectly fine and it's legal. You're allowed to do that. So now that you guys have a basic understanding of the things you're allowed to do and not to do, let's go out in the field and have some fun. As you can see, this is the electrical panel. That's where the home run starts for the bathroom. So the first thing I want to say, this is a Leviton single phase 100 amp man breaker panel. So this is the home run for the bathroom. It's a Gfci dedicated 12-2 MC. You could use BX in residential. For us, we're all about doing things above and beyond code, so we like to use MC in all our residential jobs. So now from this panel, to get back on point, it's going straight to this Gfci. So this is a dedicated circuit. So this bathroom, I believe, is the guest bathroom. So I want this bathroom to have its own separate home run and not tie into anything else. Now let's talk about the switches, what we did. So from this 3-gang switch box, there's an actual home run going straight to the panel. So this switch box is wall light, fan, shower light. So one of the switches control the wall sconce. Switch number 2 control ceiling fan. Switch number 3 will be for 2 recessed lights inside the shower, which we'll put later on. So now from this 3-gang switch box, we're also fitting a single switch on this side. This single switch is for the laundry. There will be 1 recessed light in here, I believe. So that's the switch leg for it. So we cover. The first thing you want to do, you want to take out all your wiring. So for me, it's simple and easy. I already know these are my 3 switches on top. That's how we do things at up and above. So when the next man comes, it makes life easier to sort things out. So first thing you want to do, set up your wires like this. all the time. Switch legs.
So now, gotta suck out the ground. One of the things I love to do. Neutrals. Perfect. Every time. Makes your weight. So now one of the things you gotta do is put in your wire nuts. You'll be good to go. Now, I like, in a 3-gun box, what I really love to do is put a few different ground tail. I'll show you what I mean. So one, I like to put solid stick. There's my wires. Watch this. So now, I do this. Boom. Okay. So a lot of guys don't like to put ground tail in their switch box because they like to say, ooh, the code doesn't require it. Oh, for us, we want to do everything. Especially sometimes you could install a dimmer, they require a neutral, require ground. So you don't know what you can run to. So it's better to just do it all the way, 100%. That's all you're doing. So now, you got this now. See that? Nice. So, you do this. One of the things, I like to tuck in my wires all the way inside. So we got one ground to go. Make it nice and neat. Everything tucked in nice. So now, this ground tail is in the room. So I like to do. So now everything is grounded up in my extenders, of course. I can do this. I can do this. All day. So now these are this is my home run, and then the next one is a jump between the laundry room switch, which is on the other side. And this is my switch leg. Keep them long. Nice. Nice and easy. So now, this ground, get cut. So now the last ground goes in.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. romantic dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter.
And just like that, you done it. So now, tuck everything in nice and neat. And there you have it. Mission accomplished. Now that you have a better understanding how to wire up a bathroom, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like. See you in the next one.
I'd rather do that instead.